Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make fish oven-only way. Start by prepping your fish in an oven-proof pan with a tight lid. Pat the fish dry, season lightly with salt, pepper, olive oil, and lemon. Preheat the oven to moderate heat and place the pan covered to create a gentle steam environment. Bake until the fish is flaky and reads 145 degrees F internally, then rest briefly before serving. Begin by preparing all ingredients and tools so the process stays smooth. Pat the fish dry, trim as needed, and arrange aromatics under and over the fillets. Drizzle a thin layer of olive oil and season both sides evenly. Use a pan with a lid to lock in steam and place a thermometer if you have one. Timing is based on thickness, so monitor doneness rather than relying solely on time. Focus on gentle, even heat to prevent drying out the fish and to develop tender texture. A covered, oven-proof pan creates a small steam oven that cooks the fish evenly without direct drying heat. Aim for an internal temperature of 145 degrees F and flaky flesh when tested with a fork. After removing from the oven, keep the fish covered and rest for a short period so juices settle and the flavor concentrates for serving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.